Borada, and welcome back to the InstaSim channel. And you can see my face moving so much. Anyway, I think we went to the vendor. No, we didn't. Otherwise, I would have filled up my entire ammo. Perfect. Now, I just went quiet. Now, slingshot time. Now, this is actually something you can do to skip this part if you really wanted to. And I might actually show it to you guys. And it was actually shown on the Teal Game Master thingy-majig when he was doing the Ranjoli. And this is what you have to do. That's it. All you have to do is that. It's actually quite easy. I'm not really sure how Teal could fail at it. So, because it was such an easy thing to do. But I'm actually not going to do that because obviously I'm not doing this Ranjoli. When I do this Ranjoli though, I will be doing that. However, there is... These things are overpowered, however, the bomb things. And I've died. Congratulations, I died. Now, the bombs are actually very overpowered, which is kind of annoying, but there we go.
I got some great bargains for you today.
No! Ooh. Almost bought the pyrocyte there, by mistake. But after you've killed them as well, the bombs can still kill you, which is kind of annoying. See? Um, 79. Ow. It's fun just to kill them as well, so yay. Right. What to do here? You just stand here and shoot, is it? That's all you do? Yeah, pretty much. That's it. All you have to do is shoot. For days. Shoot for days. What the heck was that noise? I love going to video game data just to see if that noise was actually true and then put a caption saying, yep, the voice was real. No. Oh, no. Actually, I shouldn't be this close to the bomb, should I? Perfect. Ah, no, not this part. This part, eventually, as I've seen on Teal's channel, it's annoying. And there's no way of skipping it either, you have to do this part. You just rage quit after a while. With doing it with weapons, however, it's actually very easy. 18,000 bolts. 62,000 bolts to go. Very loud. Oh no, it's very close to where I was. Have I got health here? No, I've used it. Damn it! Where did I see a health crate? I thought I saw a health crate somewhere. Stand on the bloomin' thing. And here's a checkpoint, thankfully. This is actually a checkpoint, so... me dying, I go back there. You can actually cheat this as well. Oh. And there is actually a really cool way of doing that, which is really cool, I suppose, like I just said. Which is, if you get the swing shot out, and you aim, I think, towards that, it's not going to work. You will kind of just skip the entire thing. And then you can collect your rewards. So that kind of just minimises every sort of possible way of death. There's one gold bolt here, in this area, here now, in this vicinity. And it's in that room, and in order to get to that room, you need to go over here and open the door. You can actually get back with a swing shot, so that's quite cool. So if you're very lazy like I am, just get back with a swing shot. It's a lot easier. And if you're lazy like me as well, you can just kind of swing shot there. And the camera kind of messes up as well in the process. Get all the bolts first, obviously. I ain't talking that much because there's not much to talk about, but there we go. I really want to talk about something. Bombs. Ooh, that was... That was a very close bomb there as well, actually. I don't know how it didn't actually find me in there, but there we go. Right, now to get this... Second one is there, and the third one is back over here. All of them, by the way, are in the shape of a triangle all the time. Doesn't matter which type of triangle, it's still a triangle. Ooh! Now to actually get to that door. With one health, it's not going to be easy. Actually, that was easier than I was expecting it to be, but there we go. Oh no. Yep. Blaster, 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 blast them all. And collect all the loot at the end of it as well. How are they not actually destroying me? I have no idea. ideal. Oh. Right. Through here. Up here. Which takes its time. Hydro displacer to get those bolts over there as well. First. Ah. Die. Hooray! Thank you. And they actually do pack quite a lot of bolts as well, which is quite awesome. Ow! And they also kill you. Eventually. I can't remember which one the gold bolt is in. Is it this one here? Yes. And you stand on one of them anyway. No matter how much you try to not stand on it like I just did there, you will always stand on it. Then you have to go back, so I'm going to cut this bit out, I think. You're not flashing, no? Perfect. Yes, I have got a health. Okay, I've got an extra health. Nanotech. Yeah, an extra nanotech orb, yeah? Yeah, I've got 2 health now. Move across here. Perfect. I have them all. Yes, I have all the money. All the money. Yes. All the money. Give me the money. There's actually another glitch here. You can swim through the wall. Which is pretty cool. And here you can't really kill the sharks. What you have to do is... There are sharks in there, aren't there? No, there aren't. I thought there were. Are there sharks in here? No. Oh. That's weird. I thought there were. I always used to think there were, so I kind of just did this swing shot, but now I know there aren't. And that's actually the first time ever which I've actually been in that water. Wow, I landed on top of the box as well. Nope. No! Ooh, ooh, ooh. That was quick. Righty then, get off of the bolts and go back up here. Good. Oh, there's more bolts over there. How dare you? And I have a nice round figure of 27,900. Oh, 20 something thousand, I suppose. 21,795 bolts. So I am 59,000 bolts away from my goal of 80,000. Hang on a minute. Alright then, I will have to end the episode once we get over to here. No, I was on a nice round figure. Why did you give me an extra 1 bolt? And I'm gonna end the episode here right now, once I've gotten all these bolts here. Yay! And I will now end the episode here. So, thank you so much for watching this episode of Ratchet Clank. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. It'll help me out a lot, and you get more videos like this. Also, don't forget to like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and Twitch, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.